Hi kids! I know how it feels to struggle in math. I was just like you. But with hard work, I learned it. Come on, learn math with Teacher Rochelle. Performing a series of more than two operations on whole numbers, applying parentheses, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, PEMDAS, or grouping, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, GEMDAS correctly.
Let us try this.
Which of these numbers is divisible by 4? 13, 25, 200. Very good. It's 200. Remember, a number is divisible by 4 if the value of the last two digits is divisible by 4 or the last two digits are 0. Examples: 368, 2000, 5004. Which of these numbers is divisible by 8? 56, 324, 3005. Excellent. It's 56. Remember, a number is divisible by 8 if the value of the last three digits is divisible by 8 or the last three digits are 0. Examples: 9,864, 7,000, 16,328. Which of these numbers is divisible by 11? 67, 858, 9,822. Very good. It's 858. Remember, to know if a number is divisible by 11, get the sum of alternating digits, then subtract the sum of all the other digits. And the answer should be 0 or 11. Examples: 88. Why? Because 8 minus 8 is 0. 4,939. Because 9 plus 9 is 18. 4 plus 3 is 7. 18 minus 7 is 11. Which of these numbers is divisible by 12? 42, 278, 17,940. Yes, it's 278. Remember, a number is divisible by 12 if the number is divisible by both 3 and 4. Examples: 336. 336 is divisible by 4 because the value of the last two digits, 36, is divisible by 4. It is also divisible by 3 because the sum of its digits, 3 and 3 and 3, is 12. 336 is divisible by both 3 and 4, so it is divisible by 12. 10,800. 10,800 is divisible by 4 because it ends in two zeros. It is also divisible by 3 because the sum of its digits is 9. 10,800 is divisible by both 3 and 4. So 10,800 is divisible by 12.
Let us discuss this. We will discuss the PEMDAS or the GEMDAS. So PEMDAS means parenthesis, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. GEMDAS means grouping, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So, when solving an equation or an expression, we will start with the ones inside the parentheses or the grouping symbols, followed by multiplication and division, and addition and subtraction. However, if there is only multiplication and division, we will solve them from left to right. It doesn't matter which comes first. And if there is only addition and subtraction, we will solve them from left to right, and it doesn't matter which comes first. For example, we only have multiplication and division, and the division comes first, so we will divide, then multiply. For addition and subtraction, even if subtraction comes first, we will not follow this addition and subtraction. Instead, we will solve from left to right. Let's have an example. If we have 7 times 3 plus 9 divided by 3. So, using or following the PEMDAS and the GEMDAS rule, we should solve first the ones inside the parentheses. So, 7 times 3 is 21 plus 9 divided by 3 is 3. So, 21 plus 3 is 24. The final answer is 24. Another example. We have 9 times 2 divided by 2 plus 8 minus 6. So, parenthesis first. There are multiplication and division inside the parentheses. So, we will solve from left to right. 9 times 2 is 18 divided by 2 is 9. Plus 8 minus 6. We will just copy 8 minus 6 because we did not solve them yet. Then, addition and subtraction from left to right. 9 plus 8 is 17 minus 6. 17 minus 6 is 11. Another example. We have 9 times 4 minus 20 divided by 5 plus 3. So, the ones inside the parentheses first. So, I will copy 9 times 4. 9 times 4 minus 20 divided by 5 is 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay, so we have 9 times 4 minus 7. So 9 times 4 is 36, then minus 7. 36 minus 7 is 29. Last example. If we have 8 times 9 plus 12 minus 5 times 8. Parenthesis first. So we have 8 times 9 plus 12 minus 5 is 7 times 8. So parenthesis, we have 8 times 9 plus 56. Left to right, 8 times 9 is 72 plus 56. We have 128.
Remember, PEMDAS is an acronym for the words parenthesis, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Given two or more operations in a single expression, the order of the letters in PEMDAS tells you what to calculate first, second, third, and so on, until the calculation is complete. If there are grouping symbols in the expression, PEMDAS tells you to calculate within the grouping symbols first. Remember, in using PEMDAS or GEMDAS, the grouping MDAS, for any expression, all the ones inside the parentheses or grouping symbols should be simplified first, followed by multiplication and division from left to right, and finally, addition and subtraction from left to right.
Let us answer this.
Solve the expression below. Fourteen minus 12 divided by 7 minus 4 equals n. Using the PEMDAS rule, let's start with the ones inside the parentheses. 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. Then we have the division. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Then subtraction. 14 minus 4, and the answer is 10. Solve the expression below. Again, using the PEMDAS rule for n equals 150 divided by 8 plus 10 minus 3 times 6. We will solve the ones inside the parentheses. 8 plus 10 minus 3 equals 15. Then division, because PEMDAS says parentheses, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. But if there are only division and multiplication left, let us solve, or we should solve from left to right. So 150 divided by 15 is 10. Then 10 times 6 is 60. The answer is n equals 60. Solve the expression below. N equals 56 divided by 7 times 2 minus 2 plus 35. We will start with the one inside the parentheses. 7 times 2 equals 14. Then we have 56 divided by 14 for division equals 4. Then subtraction and addition from left to right. 4 minus 2 is 2 plus 35. Okay, so 2 plus 35 equals 37. So n equals 37. Wow! Did you get the correct answers? Very good.
You did great!
Wow! You did a very good job. See you in our next lesson.